Hey guys, welcome back on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a cuff to your sleeve like the one you are seeing on the screen. Now this is my sleeve. I've sewed the side seam, and now the next thing you want to do is to add the cuff. I'm flipping the sleeve inside out to show you what the sleeve look like on the outside. So this is it, nice and fine. So I've sewed the two sleeves. The next thing is to sew the cuff to the sleeve. Now what I have here is 6 inches, but the width of my curve that I want to use is 2.5 inches, and I cut out 6 inches against the my round sleeve measurement. Now the first thing you want to do, you want to measure what you have here, your round sleeve measurement. What I have here for my client is 7.5 inches. I'm just making sure that it's 7.5 inches, and the second one too has to be 7.5 inches. You can see it's 7.5 inches. Now this 7.5 inches, you are going to fold your curve like this. You're going to place the curve on fold. You can see I folded mine, and now I'm going to mark 7.5 inches. So I've marked the 7.5 inches, and I'm going to sew the 7.5 inches against the 6 inches. Now just make sure you have 2 points so that you have a straight line. Now you have to mark another 7.5 inches at the other end. So I'm just marking 7.5 inches. Now I'm taking this to the sewing machine, and I'm going to stitch this part down. So it's time to stitch. So let's do the stitching. Please make sure you back stitch at the beginning and at the end of your stitch. What I mean by back stitch, you sew a pie tack at the beginning and at the end of your stitch. Now you're going to trim off the thread and trim off the excess that you have. After sewing the curve, this is what you should have. Now the next thing you want to do, you want to open the seam allowance like this. You flip it open, you give it a nice press. Make sure you iron this part. I'm not going to do so in this tutorial. I'm just going to fold it. Make sure that but now that you've fold it like this, you are going to have 3 inches. Make sure that the seam allowance is open on the inside. So now you are when you fold this like this, you're going to have 3 inches. Remember the whole length was 6 inches, and once you fold, you are having 3 inches. I'm going to pin that part down. You can see what we have. You can see how nice the curve is. Next, you are going to sew the curve on the sleeve. Now I'm just making sure that I pin 2 points. Now you bring in your sleeve and you pin side seam to side seam, the right side to right side. So now making sure that the side seam are matching, and after pinning the side seam to the sleeve, the next thing you want to do, you want to take this to your sewing machine and stitch the two of them together. Now this is our outcome. I hope you learn one or two things from this video. On the inside, I wave the seam allowance to make it neat on the inside.